the most repairable phone ever made. Today we're breaking down the Fairphone 6, the most repairable smartphone on the planet right now. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you're gonna look at your current phone and feel a little bad. Let's get into it. Okay, so 12 modular components, 12 battery, screen, cameras, speaker, USB-C port, all swappable by you at home with just a screwdriver. No glue, no genius bar, no technician charging you $200. Just you, a Torx T5 and a YouTube tutorial. iFixit gave it a perfect 10 out of 10 repairability score. The only mainstream phone that's ever hit that. No cap. And yo, there's a lime green physical slider on the side. You flip it and your phone literally transforms into a minimalist dumb phone mode. It's called Fairphone Moments. Strips everything back to 5 core apps. Blocks notifications, kills the doom scroll. You push it back, full Android. No other phone does that, straight up. It comes in Horizon Black, Cloud White and Forest Green. Matte finish. Looks clean. Aluminum mid-frame. IP55 water resistance, MIL-SPEC drop rated up to 1.5 meters. This thing is built to survive. Specs time, real quick. 6.31-inch LT OLED, 120Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chip, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gig storage, microSD expandable up to 2 terabytes. Main camera, 50 megapixel Sony Litia sensor with OIS, 13 megapixel ultrawide, 32 megapixel selfie cam. Battery, 4415 milliamp hours, 30 watt fast charging. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, 5G, and the battery is user-replaceable. Like 4 screws and it's out. That's it. Now here is where Fairphone goes absolutely different. 8 years of security updates, 7 major Android upgrades, 5-year warranty. Bro, that's not a phone. That's a decade-long relationship. Samsung gives you 7 years of updates. Apple drops support after 5 or 6. Fairphone is out here playing a completely different game. Oh, and it already got Android 16 in March 2026. One of the first non-Google phones to get it. That's wild. Okay, real talk though. The Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 is a mid-range chip. It's smooth for daily use, but don't expect flagship gaming performance. Camera, decent in daylight. Low light, average. No telephoto lens. Colors can look a little flat according to reviewers. No wireless charging. Yeah. Still, in 2025, the fingerprint scanner placement is awkward. And the battery, 4000 milliamp hours is solid. But competitors are pushing 6000 now. A phone built for you to own, fix and keep? Fairphone made it actually work. The Fairphone 6 isn't trying to beat the iPhone. It's trying to outlast it. And honestly, that's a vibe I respect. Smash that like if this hit different. Subscribe for us and drop a comment. Would you pay for a phone built to last 10 years? Or are you team upgrade every 2 years? Let's go.